Alright guys, so we got one of those houses. So we're gonna have some extreme before and afters, but the carpet's not salvageable. Definitely not salvageable. I got my things in my Invisaligns in my mouth, so if I'm talking weird, that's why. 22 hours a day I gotta have them on. So anyway, so there's red stains, a lot of pet urine, and just kids and floods and this and that. So you're gonna see what we got going on. Stay tuned. What's up YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. I've been documenting my journey on this channel from a part-time hustle as a machinist to operating a very successful cleaning company. My goal is to show you what I was looking for when I was starting out, sharing the cleaning solutions I use, the equipment, so I can help others thinking about getting into the cleaning industry. And maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna make that first step. It can change your life like it did me. Don't worry, industry, I'm not trying to be the know-it-all carpet cleaner, but I am trying to be an example of what could be. Alright, so this is how we're going to hit this, because there's pet stains all through the house. She's not worried about getting her deposit back or anything like that. She's required to do her best on it. If I can get this out of here. Sorry about my van, I've been really busy this week. Weekends I cleaned it up really nice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some O2 action. We're gonna use some Go Oxy for the organic. I'm gonna add that to my pre-spray. I'm gonna do some deodorization. I'm gonna use that stuff right there. And yeah, vacuuming's gonna be the tough part. So Aaron's vacuuming right now. Stay tuned. Just treating the brown stains, which is usually organic. Can't tell, but using 20 volume just to go hit the major ones, and the Go Oxy and my pre-spray will take care of the majority of it. Can't guarantee any of this will come out. Real quick, guys, if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below. All my videos, there's a link. Not just the technical side of it, but the business side of it. How to get those customers to call you. Also, the tools I love and use, down below also. Now back to the video. All right, all done. Just playing. Pre-scrub is all we did for this room. Already looks a heck of a lot better. It's amazing what your chemistry can do. Of course, you have to have a degree in chemistry to do carpet cleaning, of course. Not really. You just need to listen to smarter people than you. Use what they use. That's what I do. So that's why I'm telling you guys to listen to them. No. Beautiful. Now, if you notice, I just rinsed out that red. I just extracted that red out. I'll tell you the secret on that at the end of the video. Holy moly. Wow, I don't know if you remember the before, but even surprised me how good of cleaning we did. Only thing that wasn't removable, some actually unremovable red stains that she didn't want to do. But if she would have paid for that, then carpet would have been almost perfect. Yeah, it looks old, but as far as clean. So what I'm doing through here, go through here with the red one. Okay, getting all over my fingers. Should be wearing gloves for this. So what this does is, if it can be removed, there's about 50% chance that as it dries, like tomorrow, the next day, it may disappear, but most likely not, guys. Never depend on that. Just do a post spray and hope for the best. Steaming it out is the best way of doing it. Smells a heck of a lot better. Look at that. This room was in bad shape. Out of the 90 color spots that were in here, only one we couldn't get out. Perfect. Perfect. So, took us, see, we started this at about 10:15. Let me look at my, it is 12:18, so took us 2 hours. 2 hours. And a lot of that time was spent wasting our time actually doing a lot of vacuuming. So, not wasting our time, but customer did not vacuum, and it was extreme vacuuming, which I'm going to have to start charging for. But other than that, I'm really happy with the way these came out. I know they're going to replace these carpets anyway, but it's always great to test your chemistry. And as you all know, I use carpet details majority of the time, and that's what I use for this job. 8.1 pH. Not a spokesperson for these people. It's just what I'm using when I'm supposed to do that. So I'm using something else. I did boost it with some oxy for some for the organic stains. Yeah. We'll see you in the next one.